Okay. We are unboxing our utility cart from Ikea right now. I'm not putting it together yet, but I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing, so we have our instructions. Those are important. Then here is one of the bases. So there's that one. Or one of the shelving sections. Piece of cardboard. Here's the second one. They boxed this in here really well too. Like, so I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. So I removed this section, cardboard, and these shelves have fit like perfectly and snugly inside the sink. I think I just cut myself with cardboard. That's always fun. So yeah, they fit perfectly inside the sink. That is amazing. So I'm gonna push that one to the side. It's not coming out. That will be the sides, I believe. Looks like it would be the bases. Pretty little bases. And this looks like it might be the bottom pieces because it has an extra, like, part holding the two. I could be saying that completely off because I have not looked at the instructions yet, but and then my third and final section. Awesome. Okay. So we have got it all opened and unboxed, and I'm going to go ahead and no, I'm going to leave this back up for now because we will try to put this together later tonight. So stay tuned and check that out. It will probably be uploaded to my YouTube channel. I don't think I'll try to shorten it down for TikTok. So check me out over at Rebecca's Corner on YouTube, and we're going to have this cart together within the next few days. Hopefully tonight though. Either tonight or tomorrow night. I want it done by Wednesday since Wednesday's my craft day. So check back later and we will build this together. Bye guys!